Having a connection to nature means you're more likely to care for it. And the more you care for it, the more likely you'll want to protect it. Hi, I'm Olivia, and I'm the head gardener here at Evergreen Brickworks. Today we had a group of kids from summer camp come and play and engage in the food forest. The food forest is an edible garden sitting next to one of our hottest parking lots and on top of a geothermal field that provides heating and cooling to one of our biggest event spaces. So it's a really unique urban space for kids to connect with and learn about nature. The really cool aspect of the food forest is that we're able to go beyond the theoretical and really get our hands on nature. It's an opportunity to engage with it and build a deeper relationship. For example, today we learned not only about the food forest ecosystem, but the kids also cared for the space. They lined up to fill their watering cans, they watered the plants, they put their gloves on and pulled out some weeds. They learned about the honorable harvest, responsible foraging, and all the good work that it takes to grow food. Afterwards, they were able to share in the abundance of nature as they sat down to enjoy a feast of wild black raspberries, strawberries, and gooseberries. It was so cute to see them enjoying their berries and chatting about what they just learned.
Well, so like today we just picked a bunch of berries. I got a lot of these, and now after that activity, I feel like I know more about the berries that grow here.
Today we went to the food forest and we got a whole bunch of different varieties of berries and helped water and weed the plants. And I learned a whole bunch of these new types of berries that are actually edible.
Opportunities like these are especially important for kids in developing a sense of appreciation and care towards nature. And it can be especially empowering for kids to learn about and forage for their own food, while also providing them with an opportunity to get out into nature and connect with each other. Being at the Brickworks and being situated in the Don Valley, we're really lucky to have access to nature through the ravines and access to edible gardens like the food forest, where we can really expand what nature education and community engagement looks like and put that knowledge to work for people and planet.